Hey guys, it's Reese. Welcome back to the channel. This is gonna be an unboxing and showcase video. The only reason is because I have cars right here ready to get shown as well. But before I show them in different ways that I'm able to, I thought I'd open this 1966 Chevy or Chevrolet Suburban that I found at my local Walmart store today. Two other Auto World cars were there. That new casting, the 85 Silverado 10 Flateside was there, along with the Trail Boss. Didn't have a huge interest in those, just because the back where like the truck bed part door you could pull down seemed a little bit higher off of the car than I thought. And in the long run of things, I mean, the Silverado was like fully blacked out, and it said stuff on it, making it like some really cool off-roader kind of thing. That just didn't seem like a car I would be interested in getting. The Silverado was kind of a maybe, but not so much, and then it turns out this was the one I ended up getting. Two reasons. I like cars in blue, and I don't actually have this one before as a Hot Wheels or Matchbox car, so I decided to get it. I have plenty of Silverados, of new and old ones from Hot Wheels or Matchbox, so I didn't need to get a premium one. And another thing I've noticed is for certain premium cars, the wheels and tires, or the wheel and tire, come off certain cars really quickly, so you gotta be careful of how you use those cars. So yeah, which is why I would recommend for any premium cars, store them in your storage solutions for your diecast cars with your other ones right away. You don't want to leave them out because, if you use them too often, the paint wears off and other stuff could happen. Just a suggestion as well. Anyways, let's open this car right now. Well, you all know what I mean by let's. I unbox it and then you'll be able to comment on it after I open it and show it in the second part of this video, because it's an unboxing and showcase video. Well, I'll see you in about a minute or so with the car unboxed. Ooh, does that hood open? Yes, it does. Okay, that's cool. So, there's the car open, and also, the hood does open, so you can see its engine in there. Just not so well, though, because the hood doesn't open too much, but this is a V8 engine. I'm not quite honestly sure how much power this Suburban made from 1966, but I'm just gonna guess it's probably in the range of 150 to 300 something horsepower from the V8, depending on what version of the Suburban you got, most likely. But yeah, like all the details on this car, I really do like that. The taillights are done nice, so is the back, and it even says Suburban on the license plate back there. Now this is actually kind of like a truck converted into an SUV kind of thing. Even though the card packaging said muscle trucks, this is more of an SUV than a full-on truck thing, because I'm not sure how many years later, 2020 from 1966, however many years ahead after the 1966 was done, they made a newer version of the Suburban, and it's more of a real, actual SUV. So yeah, here's all the cars I'm gonna show in this showcase part of the video now. Now, there's a lot of cars here, so I'm not gonna be able to show them in too many different ways as I thought I was gonna be able to before I jumped into this video, unfortunately, so I do apologize for that as well, sadly. But you still will get a look at all the cars really closely anyways. Got some new ones from FCase in here as well, with some premium ones. The Deutschland design set, and 3 or 4 NASCARs. That's my newest NASCAR. These 3 are new, but not as new as this one over here, the number 48 Aqua Blue Teal one is. The Z Proto, tuned Silverado, and the blue Ford are all new for 2022 cars. Well, anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you liked and enjoyed this unboxing and showcase video. Bye everyone, thanks for watching and have a great, fantastic, fabulous rest of your weekend.